Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have prerequisites installed. Now start the WX project. Create a new WX setup project in Visual Studio, then declare product and package elements. Next, add a directory tree matching target install paths and place your application files into component elements. Once done, reference those components inside a feature so the installer knows what to include. Make sure to set unique IDs and consistent GUID handling. This prevents later component rules conflicts and keeps upgrades predictable. Now focus on the middle tasks, user experience and bespoke behavior. Choose a UI dialog set, for example Wix UI install dir, and bind control events to locales if needed. If you require custom code, author custom action entries and pack code into a binary or call a DLL. Schedule them carefully, typically after install validate for immediate checks. Make sure you set execute and impersonate correctly, deferred and system context for privileged changes. Test the flow in debug mode to catch sequencing issues early. Finish by building and validating the installer. Run candle then light, producing an MSI. Sign the output for Windows Smart Screen Trust. Once built, test install, repair, and uninstall paths on target systems, confirming upgrade code and component rules behave as expected. If things go wrong, open the verbose MSI log and inspect the install execute sequence and component keys. Most issues are sequencing or missing component references. Fix the WXS definitions, rebuild and rerun tests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.